Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and hide and require Face ID to open apps on iPhone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for example, let's say I want to do it to WhatsApp. I'm going to simply go ahead and tap and hold on the application, and it's going to say delete app, require Face ID, and so on and so forth. Simply tap on require Face ID, and as you can see, a little pop-up menu will come and it will say require Face ID or hide and require Face ID. I'm going to click on hide and require Face ID, and as you can see, it's going to tell me what hiding is like and how you can hide it. So simply click on hide app, and there you go. Now as you can see, it's completely hidden and I can't find it anywhere. So you might be like, okay, but where can I find it? Simply go all the way to app library, scroll all the way down and click on hidden, and then as you can see, it is going to go ahead and verify that it is you and show you the application and you can use it. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.